Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the CMF Buds Pro 2. And first of all, we can find information about the high-res audio and support for ADAC audio codec. So that's pretty nice. On the right side, we can find the single bud. On the right side, on the another side, we can find some specification like hi-fi sound, the 50 decibels, active noise cancellation, the 6 HD microphones with the clear voice technology 2.0, smart dial, spatial audio, and dual connectivity. That's pretty nice. Okay, and on the reverse we can find information that the recommended charger is between 2.5 to 4.5 watts, and the charger is not included inside. So now we can quickly go inside and let's see what we can find here, what kind of the box accessories we can get here. There we go, and that small packaging, it comes with this foil. Okay, it's not that easy to actually take it off, but now I just did it. And that's how it looks. This is the matte plastic, so it doesn't actually leave any fingerprints. There's the button, the indicator, the USB-C port, and that's how it looks inside. Right here we can find another foil, and that's how it looks from this side. There we go. Inside we can find the button, and what we can find also here, let's find out. Okay, so we've got actually the connection for Nothing X application. We've got cable USB-A to the USB-C, and ear tips with the small and the large size. So this one, it's actually with the medium size. We can try to actually take it off. There we go. It's actually really easy to remove it from the earbuds. So we can easily change your ear tips, but let's see how we can actually put it on. Okay, just like this, and we can roll it out. And that's all. This is actually all accessories, everything that comes with the CMF Buds Pro 2. If you are looking for some videos, I will actually record a lot of tutorials, so we can go into my channel and search for the phrases that you are looking for. So please subscribe.